a new topic. But my little star, first I want to talk to you all. During this pandemic time, it's very critical condition. So I want to tell you something. Please avoid going out and wash your hand in every half an hour. So stay safe, take precautions. Love your kids. So mothers, I want to talk to you also. इस पेंडेमिक टाइम में जब आपके बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जा सकते, घर पे स्टडी कर रहे हैं, तो आप मेरे वीडियोस के थ्रू उन्हें टॉपिक्स को अच्छे से क्लियर कर सकते हैं, अच्छे तरीके से उन्हें समझा सकते हैं। एंड अगर आपको मेरी कोशिश अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बताएं। एंड आपको कोई न्यू स्टडी मटेरियल या किसी न्यू टॉपिक पे आपको वीडियोस चाहिए हो तो भी हमें कमेंट करें। हम पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट को पूरा करें। सो थैंक यू एंड मूव today's topic. So today's topic is shapes and strokes. Let's start. Today we will discuss about standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, curved line, and then we will move on to shapes. First we will discuss about standing line. What is the standing line? सीधी खड़ी हुई रेखा जो अटेंशन पोजीशन में हो, that is the standing line. Standing line is the line which is in attention position. It is also known as vertical line. Standing line को हम vertical line भी कहते हैं। इन हिंदी मैंने बताया जो सीधी खड़ी हुई रेखा हो, सीधी लाइन, that is the standing line. From up to down और down to up, नीचे से ऊपर या ऊपर से नीचे, doesn't matter. बस only the line should be straight. line straight होनी चाहिए। बच्चों आप अपने पेंसिल बॉक्स से रूलर निकालें एंड उसे सीधा खड़ा कर दें, लाइक दिस। दिस इज द स्टैंडिंग लाइन। आप देखें, दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ स्टैंडिंग लाइन। Here's some example of the standing line. Standing line is also known as vertical line. And here boy and a pencil. Both are the example of standing line because they are stand in attention position. ये attention position में खड़े हैं because this is the example of these are the example of standing line. Next, sleeping line. What is the sleeping line? लेटी हुई रेखा, सीधी लेटी हुई रेखा। वैसे ही अपनी रूलर को लें और उसे सीधा लेटा दें। जब आप उसे सीधा लेटा देंगे, that is the example of sleeping line. Sleeping line is the line which is in sleeping posture. सोने की पोजीशन में means आप अपने बेड पर सीधे लेट जाएं। जब आप सीधे लेट जाएंगे तो आप देखेंगे दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ स्लीपिंग लाइन एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन। इसे हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन से भी जानते हैं। हिंदी में मैंने बताया आपको लेटी हुई रेखा, जो लेटी हुई लाइन हो उसे हम स्लीपिंग लाइन कहते हैं। फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट और लेफ्ट टू राइट, अगेन डजंट मैटर, only the line should be straight and horizontal. लाइन को straight and horizontal होना चाहिए, like this. This is the example of sleeping line. Here's some example of the sleeping line. Horizontal line. It's also known as horizontal line. A boy and a pencil. Both are the example of sleeping line. In this figure, boy and pencil are in sleeping posture. That's why they are the example of sleeping line. Next, slanting line. What is the slanting line? सीधी रेखा को हम थोड़ा सा बेंड कर दें, तिरछा कर दें, लाइक दिस. दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ slanting line. Slanting line is the line which is in slant position, bent position. That is the slanting line. It is also known as slightly bent line. And in Hindi मैंने बताया टेढ़ी रेखा. टेढ़ी रेखा, that is the example of slanting line. Here some example of the slanting line. Rain falls. जब आप देखो, जब हैवी रेन फॉल्स होती है तो उसकी जो ड्रॉप्स होती है वो ज़मीन पे हमारे पास स्लैंट आके गिरती हैं, लाइक दिस. दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ स्लैंटिंग लाइन. एंड लैडर. लैडर इज ऑल्सो एग्जांपल ऑफ स्लैंटिंग लाइन. स्लैंटिंग लाइन दैट लाइक दिस. दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ स्लैंटिंग लाइन. स्लैंट एरो, दैट इज ऑल्सो एग्जांपल ऑफ स्लैंटिंग लाइन. Curved line. What is the curved line? गोल रेखा, half circle, full circle. This is the curved line. Like round, घूमी हुई रेखा, जिसे हम curved line कहते हैं. Curved line is a line which is like circle. It is also known as half circle or circle. And हिंदी में मैंने बताया आपको गोल line. That is curved line. Here some example of curved line. Rainbow. This rainbow is the example of curved line. And My Little Princess hairband is also the example of curved line. Curved line like this. This is the curved line. Curved line. ऊपर की ओर. Left, right. These are the curved line. In this figure, rainbow and hairband are curved. So they are the example of curved line. Now shapes. We will discuss about shapes: circle, oval, square, rectangle, triangle, semicircle. First, we will discuss about circle. What is circle? Circle has no sleeping, no standing, no slanting line. I have already described you about lines. So circle has no lines. It has only curved line. Very good. It has only curved line. And it has no corner because it has no lines. So it has no corner. And it has only curved line like this. This is the circle. Curved line. This is the curved line. This is the curved line. This is circle. And here's some example of the circle. Your yummy pizza. Wow, so yummy. This is the example of circle. And our earth, our moon, our sun, your football. These are the example of circle. Next, oval. What is oval? You know, your oval is like similar to circle, but there is one difference between oval and circle. That circle is equal from all sides. Circle के all curves equal होते हैं, बट ओवल का शेप्स ऑल साइड से इक्वल नहीं होता है. दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ बिटवीन सर्कल एंड ओवल. एंड देर आर सम प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सर्कल एंड ओवल. लाइक द सर्कल देर इज नो स्टैंडिंग लाइन, नो स्लीपिंग लाइन. लाइक सर्कल ही ओवल के भी कोई भी स्टैंडिंग लाइन, कोई भी स्लीपिंग लाइन एंड कोई भी स्लैंटिंग लाइन नहीं होती है, बिकॉज दिस इसके कोई कॉर्नर भी नहीं होते हैं. क्योंकि कोई लाइंस नहीं होती हैं इसलिए इनके कोई कॉर्नर्स भी नहीं होते हैं. एंड हेयर सम एग्जांपल ऑफ ओवल शेप. एग इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ ओवल शेप. एंड योर वाटरमेलन, green and red watermelon is the example of oval. Which is this shape? You recognize it? This is square. This is a square. A square has 4 lines, 4 corners. All lines are equals, or all sides are equals. Square has 2 standing line and 2 sleeping line. It has 4 lines and 4 corners. Squares all sides, all lines are equal. In Hindi we can say it चौकोर. हिंदी में हम इसे चौकोर कह सकते हैं. This is the square shape. It has 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. All lines equal. All lines equal. Look, this is the square shape. Here's some example of the square shape. Your chess, your ludo, your carom board. These are the example of square shape. And square shape wall clock is also the example of square shape. Next, rectangle. Rectangle is this which type of shape? Rectangle is similar like square. It has also 4 lines. It has also 4 corners. It has also 4 sides. But all sides are not equal. हिंदी में इसे आयत भी कहते हैं. इसके चारों sides स्क्वायर की तरह सिमिलर नहीं होते हैं, इक्वल नहीं होते हैं. इसके 2 sides up and down equal and left to right are equal. Look, this is the rectangle. Up and down are equal, left and right are equal. It has also 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has also 4 lines, but they are not equal like square. Here's some example of rectangle. A big building is look like rectangle, and your book, pick up your book and see. This is the shape of rectangle. Your study table and your pencil box also. Your scale, ruler. This is the also example of the rectangle. And many more things. Your door, your window. These are also the example of the rectangle. Next, semicircle. What is the semicircle? सर्कल का हाफ हिस्सा, सर्कल का आधा पार्ट. दिस इज द semicircle. Semicircle is the half of a circle, and it has 1 sleeping line and 1 curved line. It is also known as half circle. It has 2 corners in the bottom. This is semicircle. Look, there is 1 sleeping line and it has 2 corners at the bottom and 1 curved line. That is semicircle. Here's some example of the semicircle. 1 igloo and tunnel both are the example of semicircle. Igloo's face and back portion is also both are the example of semicircle. And look, this is the circle, and when we cut half, here 1 semicircle and 2 semicircle. There are 2 semicircle. Next, triangle. What is the triangle? Triangle त्रिकोण, त्रिभुज, तिकोना, जिसे हम triangle कहते हैं. It has 3 lines. It has 3 corners. It has 2 slanting line and 1 sleeping line. It has 3 corners, 2 bottom and 1 at the top. It has 3 lines, 2 slanting. I have already described you slanting line, sleeping line. So it has 2 slanting line and 1 sleeping line. और हिंदी में मैंने बताया इसे त्रिकोण कहते हैं. Look, 1, 2 and 3. This is the triangle. 1 sleeping line. इसमें यहाँ नीचे 2 कॉर्नर है. There is 2 corner at the bottom and 1 corner at the top. This is the triangle. त्रिकोण, त्रिभुज. Here's some example of triangle. Your birthday cap. This is the example of triangle. And yummy tasty ice cream cone. This is the also example of triangle. You see mountains. Mountains are also the example of triangle. That's all for today. Bye bye kids. Love you.